Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate cookies. First, ensure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and all ingredients are ready. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Finish this step by mixing in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for that essential flavor. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This ensures even distribution. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix the dough. Stop as soon as no streaks of flour remain to keep your cookies tender. The best part is next. Gently fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. You can use milk, semi-sweet, or a combination for varied flavor. Once the chips are evenly distributed, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Once baked, let your delicious chocolate chip cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is essential for achieving that perfect chewy on the inside, crispy on the outside texture. Enjoy your homemade treats. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, including a way to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.